everybody, it's Reina with Double TI, and I'm so happy to introduce you to this fantastic keyboard. It's the Key95 RGB Platinum keyboard, and I love this keyboard. The Key95 is so comfortable with his armrest. Feels very premium. The clicks are very clicky as I wanted, and it feels just right. It comes with powerful IQ software to install the keyboard and get updated, and it's so simple to install in your computer. It's even enjoyable to use when editing, working, or gaming because of the sound of the keys is fun to listen to. And additionally, the colors, I love colors that make me focus on what I'm doing. Is fully customized and pretty easy to do that. And I think what I love the most about the Key95 is the media control and volume work. I can use this when I'm watching a video or listen to music to play, pause, and cycle the different tracks. The volume wear is super nice and very convenient to have at your fingertips. I have all I need with high quality. It worth every penny it costs, and that is my point of view.